Guys, since youth we see ukuthi South Africa we're going through a lot. You understand? We're going through a lot South Africa. Imisebenzi ayikho, ama opportunity ukuthi uthole maybe ama internship, ama learnership and all those things mancane. You understand? So how we change our lives? Si change njani impilo yethu as youth? Si change njani impilo yethu as youth ukuthi masenzeni izinto zenzeke? Masiboneni ubomi buchintsha, masiboneni izinto zikhula, masiboneni sifulfill amaphupho wethu yonke lento leyo. So how we do that? Because into endibonayo like manje we always complaining about the government, saying government doesn't do this, doesn't do that. Thina senzani as youth, like yini senzayo as youth thina for change our lives? When we ended what do we do as youth to change our lives? Senzani thina in order ukuthi impilo zethu change? Because la in Eastern Cape, guys, in Stellenbosch, in Makhaya, you understand? Lana is village, but I can see ukuthi it's not well developed, and it's gonna make a lot of youth up make the school ukuthi hambe in my province, and in my province still there's no job. You understand? There's no job because already abahlala pha kuma province, you understand? Abakhwele kuma province basathili umsebenzi, basathili umsebenzi, awukho umsebenzi. So that is why uzobona ukuthi ingane esuka la emakhaya zofika eGoli sesithengisa ngemizimba yonke lanto, because themsa abazali babo ukuthi noma ngifike eGoli I'm gonna get umsebenzi. Make efika eGoli azula iGoli yonke umsebenzi akawutholi because umsebenzi awukho, even igovernment ayikho into eyenzayo ngalento leyo. So I take ama opportunities actually. So ke ngoku into enzama ukuyisho ukuthi as a youth kumele sithole indlela yokuthi sikwazi ukuzi uplifta thina sizenzele into zethu ngendlela yethu, guys. You understand? Like singabheki government yonke into, government everything government, no. Like hlala phansi sometimes ucabanga about ubomi bakho, ucabanga about into ofuna ukuzacomplisha, ucabanga about ama plans ofuna ukwenza since unyaka uqalile. Uyayibona into le ku curriculum calendar, you understand? And then implement zonke lento lezi, because abanye abantwana but they start ama business out there. They start a business, they selling some sneakers, they selling clothes, they selling phones, they selling fashion clothes. Abanye ba design, they design clothes and then sell them, understand? Because you know like ukuthi aninayo imali. You do have imali, guys. You do have imali, and nje ninayo imali. Guys, yabona la move khona inkomo, so zizola zona guys, yabona ngizola zona. So like you do have imali, ama 350 ka Ramaphosa. Use that 350 ka Ramaphosa to change your life, because like trust me, like ayikho yonke into ozoyenza, ayikho into leyo.